Love how you move when you rock those hips. Rock those, rock those hips. If she don't got a tan, she no tropic chick. If the sun don't shine, it ain't tropic bliss.
Alright, let's go. Finally about to surf. It's probably been like a week since the last little run of waves that we had. Saga on the house and a ton of rain and wind coming in. Let's see if we can make the most of this wind swell. You already know. Oh, look at those waves. Look at that fucking north swell starting. Arnie, baby. Let's go! Waves are starting to come in. Welcome. Guys, if you're new to this channel, just know this is where it's at for Miami, surfing crappy waves. If you get pleasure in watching people surf crappy ass waves, but make the most and have a blast, you've come to the right spot. Let's fucking do it.